How to test a car alternator the right way. Hey gearheads, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm just gonna say it, I'm sick of jump starting this car. Battery's brand new, I'm not leaving lights on, I'm not charging 15 phones at once. So what's the deal? You know what no one tells you? It might not be the battery at all. It's probably your alternator. Yeah, that little hunk of metal hiding under your hood that's supposed to keep everything running. Yeah, that guy could be the reason your car is dying every other day. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share this video. Why the alternator matters. So real talk, your car's alternator is like the unsung hero of your electrical system. It's what keeps your battery charged while you're driving. Lights, radio, phone charger, all of that is running off the alternator. If it's not working right, your battery is going to drain faster than your phone at 3%. And even if you just bought a brand new battery, a bad alternator can kill it in a matter of days. Trust me, I've been there. Twice. Symptoms of a bad alternator. All right, let's get to it. How do you know your alternator might be bad? Your battery warning light comes on? Big clue. Headlights getting dim while driving at night? Electrical issues like flickering lights or your radio randomly dying? Yup. And the worst, your car just straight up dies while you're driving. That's not only annoying, it's dangerous. So before you start spending money replacing stuff that doesn't need replacing, let's test the alternator first. How to test your alternator with a multimeter. Step 1, you'll need a multimeter. If you don't have one, get one. It's like $15 and it'll save you hundreds. Here's how you do it. With the car off, set your multimeter to DC voltage. Put the red lead on the positive battery terminal, black lead on the negative. You should see around 12.6 volts. If it's much lower, your battery might already be weak. Now start the car. Do the same test. If your alternator's working, voltage should jump to around 13.8 to 14.8 volts. That means your alternator's charging your battery. If it's the same or drops, Houston, we have a problem. 12.6 volts, car off, good battery. 13.8 to 14.8 volts, car on, alternator charging. Below 13 volts, car on, bad alternator. Now, if you're only seeing like 12.2 or lower while the car is running, your alternator is not doing squat. It's basically just freeloading under your hood. Bonus tests, under load. Bonus test time, turn on everything. Lights, AC, defrost, even that rear window heater you never use. Your alternator should still keep the voltage above 13 volts. If it drops way below that, it's weak. Like, needs to hit the gym weak. This test checks how your alternator performs under load, because it's easy to pretend you're working when you're not under pressure, right? All right, so what did we learn? If your alternator isn't charging your battery, you're going to end up stranded. Replacing the battery won't fix it. You've got to test that alternator first before throwing parts at the problem. Trust me, spending 10 minutes with the multimeter beats paying $300 for a tow and missing your plans. Don't be like me. Check your alternator before you start blaming everything else. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car tips that actually save you time and money. Hit that bell so you never miss an update, and drop a comment if there's something you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time under the hood.